Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, we're going to show you how you can pause the program with Getchar. So I'm going to create my main function here, and within it, I'm going to print something like Castiel is pretty cool. Press return to learn why. Okay. And then I'm just going to have a space like that. And I'm going to say Getchar. And then I'll do another printf and I'll say Castiel is cool because in season 6 he becomes, and I'm going to do a slash so I can put in a quote here, God, and then a slash and put another quote. And let's put a period there, and let's put a slash and a new line there. And then at the end of this, I'll return 0. Okay. So I'm going to now open a terminal and let's compile this. So we'll compile. This is getcar 2, and we'll output getcar 2. Okay. So now let's run it. And so I'm going to press return, and it says Castiel's cool because in season 6 he becomes God. So you can use Getchar to pause a program so the person can read or react to it, and then hit enter to get the next part of the program to run. Anyways, I hope you found this program interesting, or this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you haven't done so already. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.